Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're talking about the TUSK UTV Recovery Kits. Look, this is just my opinion, but I think every UTV should have a recovery kit, and I'm sure most of you would agree with me. It doesn't matter what you're doing, trail riding, rock crawling, at some point it's going to be you or somebody that you're with is going to be in a situation where you need to pull them out, and you'll be so grateful that you have a recovery kit ready to go. What's nice about this is when you buy one of these, it's going to come with everything that you need to be at the ready. And there's 3 different kits available. Today I'll walk you through and talk about those, and we'll talk about the features and benefits of the products that are up here on the table. Starting out with Recovery Kit Stage 1. When you buy Stage 1, what will come included is your 20-foot recovery or kinetic recovery rope, and also your 2 soft shackles. This recovery rope, kinetic ropes, are pretty dang cool, and there's a couple big benefits to them. Because these are designed to stretch when you pull on them, it will reduce the impact load to another vehicle when you're pulling on it. But the other big benefit is that because they stretch, so when you give that initial bump when you're pulling on a vehicle, it will stretch, and then that stored energy, like a rubber band, will rebound, and it actually helps pop a vehicle or pull that vehicle a little bit easier. They're incredibly strong, rubber-coated endings with a protective sleeve. You're gonna have that and your soft shackles with Stage 1. Soft shackles are the way to go. These things are super strong, and they're much, much lighter than steel shackles. Now, if you go with Stage Kit 2, you're gonna get the first 2 items plus a tree saver strap. This is 8 feet long, just makes it a little bit easier to go around a tree when you're pulling yourself or somebody else. So again, that is Stage 2. Now, when it comes to Stage 3, you have a decision to make, and that decision is just based off of what type of line you have on your winch. If you have a synthetic rope on your winch, you are going to want the recovery ring. This is made from aluminum. If you have a steel cable, you will want the forged steel snatch block. Now, what's cool about these two, and let's say that you already have, say, a recovery rope, some soft shackles, whatever it might be, but you don't have a recovery ring or a snatch block. Why do you want one of these? What these do is increase the mechanical advantage of your winch. So let me paint you a little picture here. If you were, say, pulling yourself out and you're going around a tree and you have your winch line going around the recovery ring or the snatch block and then back to itself, your winch line speed will be cut in half, but the force exerted would be double. Another example of that is if you had a scale going from your winch to the snatch block and then back to itself and you're using it, it might read 3,000 pounds of force, but you're actually pulling 6,000 pounds of weight. So just to give yourself the mechanical advantage, make it a little bit easier on your winch, that's what these are so good for, and that's why you would want one of these with your recovery kit. It's also great for maybe changing directions. You can use it for that as well. And those are the different kit options available from TUSK. Again, you got Stage 1, 2, and 3. It just depends on, maybe you have some items or maybe you just need everything all at once. You can get everything. You don't have to worry if you left anything out. And everything, like I said, will come in this nice big travel or this carry case. So you can just put it in your UTV, leave it there. Don't touch it. Don't take it out until you need it, and it will be there for just in case. If you have questions or comments about any of these, please leave those down below. We'll help get those answered. To grab one, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on cool new products like these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.